an kilometer from the main road towards the mountainside. So it is.
And the view surprised you.
Yeah, really, it surprised you. The view, guys. Really, I'm telling you. So look at that. This hotel. Hello.
How are you? Doing very well. Waiting for the hotel.
Oh, we're just circling around. I'm going to take some picture here. And
Awesome. Yeah.
so this is the Charles Hotel, guys.
Look the view, guys.
So before like you really get on the top of the edge, there's basically parking, disabled parking. So we're gonna park here. Look at that, guys. Look this view. So come close, yeah. We are standing on the top of the hill. And watch out this side. Charles Hotel. And I told you before, interesting thing is, 4 sides are same. So wherever you go around the hotel, it will be the same picture. All the sides are same. So wherever you stand, you will see the same picture of the hotel. That's the interesting point of this hotel.
Breathtaking view.
$1 billion view. Not a billion, but a $1 trillion view. Look at that, how big this lake is.
It starts from here. Oh wow. What a view.
This is $1 trillion view, guys. This is a new thing. Previously, they don't have the paved sidewalk. But look at that. Maybe this is so far and 20 meters. So I'm thinking maybe this is the sea height. So we are standing right now at 2,520 meters above the sea level. So you see that how zigzag it is? Oh man, come and I'll show you the town. This is the Waterton town, guys. Look at that. You see that? This is the whole town, man. Oh wow, what a view, guys. And I told you, like the hotel gonna be the same on all views. So look at that, this view. Same again. Right? So all views of the hotel for 4 sides are same. So look at that. That is still boat launching area. So we were standing down there 10 minutes before, right? Oh man, look at that. Okay, guys, so hope Waterton impressed you, and so please keep us watching, like and subscribe our channel and share with your family and friends. I hope you love it, and throw the comments of what you like it and what you wanna see in future. So we'll see you in another vlog. Bye bye.